Hey everybody, just wanted to come on here really quick and show you guys how easy it is to use this Spritz card. It's really easy to load and then to use the virtual card that you have here. I of course signed up for Spritz. Then if you click on Spritz card, it'll say create card or something of that nature. You create the card and it's automatically created. So you can create additional cards so you can use certain cards for certain things. As easy as clicking this button to fund with crypto. It's going to ask you, do you want to connect a wallet and sign a transaction, or do you want to send crypto from the wallet or exchange? So it gives you those two options. Whichever one you click, it has multiple options to choose from when sending, and multiple options to choose from when connecting the wallet. I usually use Tron USDT. Like you see here, there are a lot of different options to use, and so whatever crypto you actually have, you can well within the selections, right? But whatever crypto you have, you can choose to send those coins here, and you put the amount here. Say I wanted to send 200. It's gonna give you here, and then it's gonna tell you what your new balance is gonna be when you add that crypto to it. And you click on details, it's gonna tell you the total amount, and it's gonna tell you the fee. So to send $200, it's a $5 fee. If you click this question mark here, it'll bring you here, and then you can click on specifically where you're at to check the fees, to see what it is. I mean, it's telling you what the fees are on the site, and so you can go to the fee calculator here, or you can just enter your number up here and it'll give you the fee. That's the minimum fee. And so once you hit pay with this, it's going to give you the address, the QR code to send that crypto. Tron network is usually pretty quick. Within a minute, it's in my my card. And so let's go back. You just click Spritz card, and it's going to bring you here, and it's going to tell you what your current balance is. And once you start doing transactions, it's going to actually show up down here. I actually just did a transaction. I just ordered this tux for my my Christmas pictures with my family, and so as you can see here, payment, credit card. I don't want to scroll down because it has my address and stuff down here, but it was pretty quick. Put in the address, didn't have any issues because the card actually gives you all the info here. You just hit this button here, or you can just copy each of the numbers here, and it'll copy it without even opening it. But if you click this eyeball, it'll show you the actual numbers, and you just copy paste those numbers over to wherever you're trying to use the card. I believe you can also add this to your Google Pay, and so you can put it on your phone to be able to use at the tap machines in at any store that you use the card in. And so this is really helpful transactions when it comes to crypto. It doesn't cost anything to get this card. You just have to sign up, other than the fees that you pay whenever you send money to the card. It also has other features where you can send money to your bank account or a debit card. So the debit card option is actually instant. So if you go to off ramp, you can go. I added a Visa debit card to here and sent it. It was instant in my bank account. They also have a ACH format, but that takes, I think, 1 to 3 days. And so typically within a day it's in there, but I like the instant option, so I use the debit card. And so you can do that with any bank card that you have. Well, I'll say any bank card that they allow. I didn't test out all the cards, but I know for a fact Visa works because I did it just the other day. You could pay bills. So This one, paying bills, you can add the bill and it'll send a check to whatever bill you're trying to pay. I think it's a few days for them to send the check. It's not instant like a ACH or anything like that, but they can send a check with your name on it to that particular place that you're trying to pay the bill. You can actually buy crypto here. You can the amount. You can use ACH or you can do a wire transfer same day, $20 surcharge. It has, let's see, has quite a few options here where it says Polygon, Ethereum, Solana, Optimism, Avalanche, Arbitrum are the choices. So let's see, Ethereum. So you can get USDT and USDC and Ethereum, and then you can put the wallet address that you want this to send those funds to. And so here are the I would say features for buying crypto. No limit, same day for wires, 1 to 3 for ACH, 1% flat rate plus a $20 for wires. And then more cryptocurrencies coming soon, so they're going to be adding more coins in the future to be able to buy crypto. There is a reward, a refer and earn system, which I'll have that link in the description below, so you can sign up and directly to the site. They have rewards, so for each transaction you do, for each transaction that you complete, you get referrals. Let me see. And so right now I've earned $10 so far. I don't want to click on referrals because that has people's personal info in there. But there's a lot of different things. Off ramp, that's with the card I was telling you about. The Spritz card, paying bills, buying crypto, and then activity. And so these are some transactions that I've sent money to my bank card, and then I sent money to my Spritz card to do that purchase for the actual Tux. Pretty simple system. I think it could really come in handy whenever you're talking about doing crypto transactions really quick. And these are the networks that you could connect as far as wallets go. Pretty simple. You do have to verify yourself with this system, and so they want to make sure that no fraud or illegal actions are happening. And they do have an app. I like to use the computer version, but they do have an app. I think I haven't used it in a minute, but the last time I used it, it did have less options than the web version. So just whenever you go on there, if you don't see something that you're looking for, check on the website to see if they have it. But yeah, Spritz works really well. Like you saw for the buying crypto, there's no limit to buying crypto, and it'll send it directly to the wallet that you want to send it to out of these choices. Probably it's going to be more Ethereum than anything for most people, but they did say they have more options coming soon. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and this card comes in handy for you. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.